Today I'm going to show you what my actual English sounds like by discussing a random topic for 30 seconds without cutting video. ChatGPT gave me some topic, whose fictional character you want to have dinner with. So let's start. The fictional character I want to go dinner with is Tyrion Lannister, because he is so smart. I want to know how he think in his brain by going dinner with him, and it sounds I want to know how he, oh my god, it's so hard. Okay, so the reason why I want to go, it finished. So this is my actual English. Thank you for listening.